Fishing just got a serious upgrade in 2025. Whether you're chasing inshore bites or landing monster catches, the right rod can make all the difference. Today, we're checking out the best fishing rods that combine sensitivity, strength, and smooth performance. Perfect for beginners and pros alike. Stick around because these picks will take your fishing game to the next level. This rod is a workhorse for inshore anglers. Its 24-ton graphite blank is lightweight yet incredibly strong, giving you confidence when battling larger fish like redfish or snook. The solid graphite tip enhances sensitivity, meaning you can feel even the slightest bite, which is crucial when fishing for wary inshore species. Balanced for comfort, it reduces fatigue during long sessions. Whether you're casting shrimp or lures along the coastline, this rod delivers consistent, smooth action. Durability is a hallmark of Ugly Stick, so even when you hit rocks or rough terrain, this rod stands up. The Elite Series takes the classic Ugly Stick formula and refines it for modern anglers who want responsiveness and lightness. The blend of graphite and fiberglass ensures the rod is flexible yet strong, perfect for freshwater or light saltwater fishing. It excels with finesse techniques, like soft plastics for base, while still being able to handle bigger catches. The handle design is ergonomic, reducing hand strain, and the rod's smooth guides make casting effortless. Think of this rod as an all-rounder for anglers who want reliability without bulk. This is a versatile, travel-friendly rod designed for anglers who move a lot. Its three-piece design means it can easily fit into a backpack or car trunk. Rated for 6 to 15-pound line with medium power and moderate fast action, it's great for bass, trout, or panfish. The rod casts lures between 1/8 to 5/8 ounce effectively, giving precise control and smooth hook sets. GX2's balanced feel makes it perfect for a day on a riverbank or light inshore fishing. Shimano's Terramar knee is built for anglers who demand precision and distance. With its lightweight yet durable construction, it's perfect for long casts on the surf or wide lakes. The rod's medium power and fast action let you feel every nibble and set hooks cleanly while maintaining enough backbone to handle medium-sized fish. Ergonomic grips ensure comfort for long fishing sessions, and the smooth guides reduce line friction, making every cast effortless and controlled. The Sensolite Spinning A is a beginner-friendly but capable rod, ideal for those just getting into fishing or wanting a reliable backup. Lightweight and easy to handle, it's perfect for small to medium freshwater fish. The rod's moderate action balances sensitivity and power, letting you detect bites while still giving enough strength to land fish safely. Durable yet affordable, it's a solid choice for casual anglers who want a fun and responsive fishing experience without splurging. That's a wrap on our top fishing rods for 2025. From precision graphite tips to versatile spinning rods, these picks are built to help you cast farther, feel every nibble, and reel in your biggest catch. Don't forget to check the description for links to grab your favorite rod and upgrade your next fishing trip.